like to welcome our viewers and have you meet us, some people that I've been working with for a number of years. You're here because you're anticipating getting divorced, or legally separated, or just separating physically, even if you're not married. And what's important to you? Well, I'm sure it's your children. I think it's your money. It's your property. It's the arrangements you have to make, and you also have a lot of resentments, perhaps, about what's gone down. We're here to help. We're all mediators, and we are committed to keeping you out of the court system, which only takes these things and make them worse, not better. In mediation, we will work with you. It's your agreement, and we have stumbled upon something that we have found works very well, because the four of us come from slightly different backgrounds, even though we're all mediators, and we bring certain expertise. And when we knit this together, we feel like we're doing the best job that we can for our clients by doing that. And so this is just a short introduction about what we actually do here.
You know, many of my clients over the years have said they wish they knew about this process before they got involved in an extensive litigation. And that's why we're here today, is to try to get the word out there that there is a better way. My background is as a CPA, and how I initially became involved in mediations is helping people to wrap their arms around all of their financial issues, help them gather their information, and try to take the fear out of the process. We have just expanded it now to encompass all of the issues, and again, to keep the focus on the future. A lot of the times after I finish the financial analysis for the actual divorce paperwork, I refer the clients on to Lisa, who has more of the forward orientation for the family.
Mm-hmm. Yes, and I'm a certified financial planner, and just as my colleagues were saying, you know, really we want to help the individuals understand what it is and the agreement is stating, and how that will affect them going forward, whether it's that they themselves or any other family members. Maybe they have special needs family members. But as we go through that process, now we know, is it not just an equal but equitable distribution? And then as we're moving forward, we need some legal documents as well, or maybe we had a legal question along the way, and that's where we bring Nancy in.
One of the reasons that I love mediation is because it doesn't focus on all the bad things that happened in the past, although we can talk about them, because sometimes you have to get through the process. But mediation is a wonderful process that focuses on the future, about you're restructuring your family. You're still going to be a family, but things are going to be different, and you need some help to get there. So my name's Nancy, and I'm a lawyer, and I spent many years representing clients in divorce in court. And I can tell you, it's the worst way to get divorced. There is a better way. So people don't always know that there are options, like the option that we're providing you. So a lot of people have heard of mediation or have some concept of it, but they might not know that it doesn't have to involve just one neutral person. You can have 2 or 3 people, and we can bring in whatever expertise we need. So when we refer to each other, it's based on a lot. It's based on us knowing each other, on our values, on our work product, because we know what we can do. We know what all of us can do for clients.
I mean, I think people are afraid of many things, but they're afraid that they're going to give up too much, or they're not going to get what's important to them. In mediation, it's your agreement, and our job is to just help you get to the place, okay, where you can say, oh, I want to sign this because everything that I've been concerned about has been taken care of. Otherwise, we just continue to work until you get to a mutually acceptable arrangement that works for both parties and the family. And if you stay with us or anyone in mediation, you can expect that to be the outcome.
I think it's important to to say, call either one of us, and what we'll do is make sure that we're listening to you and we are hearing what's important to you, and we can refer to either either one of us to help you going forward, whichever's the best fit.
Part of the mediation process is to share our information with you so you can make those decisions that you need to make. So don't worry if you don't have things worked out. The mediation process is where we will help you. We will give you information so you can make the decisions to resolve your matter.